Remove dead skin from the face permanently. Rice, water, potato juice, and gram flour on face can be a great skincare remedy. Rice 3 spoon. Wash the rice and soak it in clean water for 1 hour. It will make the skin bright, and it is also very effective in removing the dark spots formed on the skin. Rice water is very beneficial for sensitive skin and to remove acne pimple problem. Rice washing water also solves the problem of enlarged skin pores or pores. I take a 1 potato. Better skin tone. Potatoes are a natural source of vitamin C, which is beneficial for skin health. Potatoes are a natural bleaching agent and help to lighten the skin. They are a rich source of vitamin C, hence they help to reduce the appearance of dark spots. Some of the benefits are that it can help to lighten skin tone, reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and help to remove dark circles and bags under the eyes. Grate the potato. Potatoes can help to improve skin complexion and make skin look healthier. Potatoes are a natural source of vitamins and minerals, including potassium and vitamin C and B vitamins. They also contain antioxidants that can help protect your skin from damage. Potatoes are a great source of vitamin C, which is beneficial for the skin. It helps to build collagen and keep the skin looking healthy. Potatoes are a source of antioxidants, which can help to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. To use potatoes for skin soothing, simply slice a raw potato and place it on the skin for a few minutes. They are a rich source of vitamin C, hence they help to reduce the appearance of dark spots. Potatoes are a natural bleaching agent and help to lighten the skin. Potatoes are effective at diminishing premature signs of aging and tightening the skin because they contain antioxidants. Extract the juice from the grated potato. Potato juice on face helps for brightening complexion. Potato juice combats blemishes. Applying potato juice on face helps to fight acne, fights visible signs of aging. Potato juice moisturizes skin. Potato juice can help you get rid of under-eye circles and wrinkles, reducing puffiness around the eyes. It can lighten and brighten the skin. Has been proven that potato juice has skin tightening and anti-aging properties. It provides relief to sun-damaged skin. There are many benefits of potato for skin. It is the cheapest home remedy available for skin problems. Use potato for skin whitening and lightening. Add rice water 1 spoon. Rice water can help improve skin damage from the sun. Is limited evidence that rice water may reduce or slow skin aging. Is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help nourish and rejuvenate the skin. Add gram flour to spoon. Gram flour packs work wonders in absorbing the excess oil and cleansing your skin as well. The zinc in gram flour can fight infections that cause acne. Gram flour helps in opening the clogged pores of the skin, thus keeping it clean. Flour also helps to clear off acne and pimples. Mix well. Gram flour also helps in maintaining the elasticity of the skin, preventing signs of aging. Gram flour is good for skin. It has natural exfoliating and cleansing properties that can help to reduce clogged pores and keep skin clear. Chickpeas can enrich your skin with vital compounds that help brighten it up and minimize the appearance of lines, and it is known to improve the texture of the skin and make it tighter. Gram flour or besan as a beauty remedy has been passed on from one generation to another. Works on signs of aging, absorbs excess oil, soothes the skin, repairs the skin, takes care of sun. Potato juice aids tan removal and scar reduction, while the rice flour helps in skin exfoliation by scrubbing off the dead cells from your skin. Using this once or twice a week ensures skin brightening with rice powder and helps get rid of pimples and acne. Potato and besan face pack for skin brightening and lightening. Easy face pack at home. A homemade face pack is a great skincare secret of every Indian woman to get smooth and supple skin. The upton consists of besan, rice water, and potato. Apply it on the face, neck, and other body parts to remove dead cells and give your skin a radiant glow. Apply the mask to your face and rinse it after leaving it on for approximately 15–20 minutes. Rinse the face with cool water and gently dry your skin with a soft and clean towel. Apply a moisturizer after rinsing to keep your skin hydrated.